In a quiet forest lived a wise old owl and a very loud parrot who just couldn't stop talking. The parrot thought he was funny, but he mocked everyone: the squirrel, the turtle, even the quiet owl. One day the owl warned him, "Words are powerful, use them wisely." But the parrot just laughed. Later, the parrot made fun of a hawk's voice, but oh no! A real hawk thought it was a challenge. The owl, calm as ever, flew in and used her voice wisely to confuse the hawk. The parrot was saved. From that day, the parrot learned the power of silence and respect. He became the forest's best listener. And that's the story of the wise owl and the noisy parrot. Moral of the story: think before you speak.